You will learn how to share files with someone on WhatsApp desktop. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch the desktop application. If you don't have the desktop app, the WhatsApp desktop app, check the description. I have a link to the video that will guide you on how to install it. So I'll click on the stats, click here and search for WhatsApp. Once it shows up as the best match, click on it. Once the WhatsApp application opens, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. You have send document, you have contact, you have Meta AI. This is the new interface for the year 2026. But let's go straight to the contact we want to send the file to. So let me send to Mike in this case. I'll click on his name. So once it opens, you see the chat you have with the contact if you guys had chats previously. Now let's attach file. To attach a file, click on this plus sign. Then select the type of file you want to send to him. So let's work with document first. I'll click on document. This will open a folder in your PC. Alright, now it's left for you to select the folder where you saved the document file. So I'll click on documents here. Then I'll scroll until I get to the document I want to send to him. Alright, look at the document I want to send to him. I'll click on it and click on open. Okay, here you see the preview of the document. They can say few things. Okay, so click here and type few things that will accompany the document. And look at what I have here. It says, please use this file for the job. The next step is to click on send. You can see the document file has been sent to him. Let's talk about another file type. To send another file type, click on the plus sign. Select the type of file. So maybe it's photos and videos. So click on it. This will open on a folder in the Files Explorer. So it's left for you to select the folder where that contains the file you want to send, and pictures in this case. I'll click on pictures. So I have so many pictures here, so many folders inside this, but let's say this is what I want to send to him, this picture here or this one. Let's work with this one. So I'll click on it and click on open. So once it opens, you can leave maybe a few comments to accompany the picture you want to send, and then click on send. And this picture has been sent to him and he has received it from his end. If your interest is video, just click on this, then select photos and videos, navigate to the folder where it is saved and pick it and send to him. So these are the steps you can take to share files. If it's a different file type, maybe you want to take camera, the picture of yourself or video of yourself, go with this. Send audio, go with this. Contacts, go with this, and so many other options. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot of videos on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to complete more tasks on WhatsApp. Thank you and see you some other time.